All right, so it's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee high altitude eco diesel. Had a annoying driver's seat creaking that's been going on. I think I finally tracked down what it was. Had it into the dealer once or twice, three times actually. First time they lubricated the seat track. Next time they tightened up the bolts. And then finally they ended up disassembling the whole seat and changing out the seat frame for the seat cushion. We hoped they'd fixed it. Of course, they didn't. And it started creaking right away. Basically, anytime you went around a corner, you'd get the shift in body weight and it would be creaking. And it basically felt like it was coming from the kind of this bottom corner. So we ended up taking apart the seat back and doing all kinds of road tests, driving with someone basically with their head down on the floor here, trying to hear where the creak was coming from. And basically, after trying to lubricate all kinds of different parts in here to see what could be creaking, we think we've kind of found what it was coming from. So basically, down in the bottom corner here, you got to take everything apart, take the seat back off. But under this plastic flap, if you push it open, right there, come on, focus, right there, there's a nut that you can't actually see. It's recessed there, but I loosened that off with a socket and sprayed in some lubricant there between the two metal pieces. And also, further back in there, again, it's hard to see, but basically where the seat belt kind of buckles onto the side of the frame as well, kind of lubricated in there. I'm pretty sure that's not where it was coming from. I'm pretty sure it was right in here, right in that little metal on metal, and it was just creaking. So I loosened it off, lubricated it, tightened it all back on, and we've driven it around for a while and totally silent. So hopefully that's it. Anyway, good luck with all your creaks and rattles. They drive us nuts, so see ya.